Welcome to my video. Today I will share with you how can we use Excel to easily fill out a series of number, which by default, if you see something like this one, you have alphabet and number together. For example, now you have this one, you can see the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, and the others is the same. Okay, so if you drag down, everything will be the same. So you can see it's a 1 2 1 2 1 2. So rather than this one, we actually want it to be 1 2 3 4 and until 12. Actually, I saw my colleague doing something like this one for the label. So I saw him doing in Word file, which he copy and then edit one by one. So in this case, do we have an easier way to do the task? So first, you need to see the pattern across the column, and by row, if you're going down, how is the pattern? So now we can see here is the A, B, and C. Basically, this is the one. Okay, and then how about going from row to row? So we have seen here is a 1 2 3 until 12. Then you can see here. So this is the pattern until 200. So if you want to do, the simple way is you can use this formula. So for example, now I will show you how can we do that. Okay. Alright, so from here you can take this one. You can easily paste, and then you start with using this one. First, for the text you want to put as a text, then you need to put in double quotation. So now we know the similar thing is A and 0 0, double A double 0. Then we put the and sign, this opposite. So this will join the text. And then this one is actually we want the 3, so we click here because we have the cell number here. And then another ampersand. After this one, we have this 001 dash 1. A, we will remove it, and we are referring to this cell. Okay. So basically, this is a word well for only one. So if you want to drag across, you need to pay attention to how you want to fit the cell. So for this one, A5 will put this dollar sign in front of A because we want to fit the cell at this column A only. But for this one, the C1, we want it to move across the column. So we'll put this dollar sign in front of 1 because when we drag down, we want it to always refer to row number 1. So by now, you should be able to just drag. So you see will change, but this one is because of you have a 2 digit. So what you can do is you reduce 1 0 in your formula, or at the beginning you put everything into 2 digit. Then if you come to 3 digits, the same thing, you need to reduce the another 0. Okay. So this one everything will be the same. Okay. Alternatively, you can just put as 003, but you need to put this single quotation in front of 3, and then you put the double 0. So like this one, you will make it into the text. If you put only the 003, so you will put as 3. So you need to put this single quotation. Okay. And if you put like this one, then you need to remove the 2 0 because you want to match with your original format. So if like this one, you can just drag and everything will be same. Okay. So this is an easier way, but you need to make sure everything is made into the same format so that you can have a consistent formula. So this is an easier way for you to change this value rather than you copy paste and edit one by one. So if you want to use this formula means to join the text, so first you must identify the similarity in each of your value. So for example, like this one, everything is the same, only this running number is different. So from here you can change this one into a number, which you can just drag, and then everything will be in accordance. Okay. So, and then the other thing is if you have a different column, then you need to identify also how by column is different. So this is the easier way. You just type whatever you need, or you can use the trim or the left right, but that one is be more complicated. Before this, I have shared a video about editing the text using the left right function. So if you are interested to learn about it, you can refer to the link at the corner above, and I will also put the link in the comment below. Another thing, if you have something like this one, so for example, you have a text or whatever like this one, and you want to extract only a certain number or certain text which has the same pattern. So for example, now I have 64. Now I want to extract only the middle number. So what can I do is I type the 64 and then I type the 89. After that, from here, I will just go to fill, go to flash fill. So Excel will know that from these two examples, I want only the middle. So it will flash fill the other thing for me. Okay, flash fill is under this editing, or you can go to data. Then you have this flash fill. Okay. Another thing, if you have an email like this one, and you want the username and the domain, so from here you can actually use the this text to column, or another way we can use the flash fill. Okay, so for example, I type this one, and this is for the username and then the domain. So from here I will use this flash fill, so it will fill out the username for me. And under here, I click again another time of this flash fill. Okay, so we have get it done. So it depends on how long is your list. It will just fill out as long as there is a pattern Excel can recognize. That's all my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.